KICKASSETS. Ching.
All right, guys, we're gonna go see house number 16 here. Which one did I get? You're all wondering, huh? Well, we're gonna come up to it here, folks. And I got a few guests with me. Hi, guys. What are the odds of that? That's funny. What are the odds of that? My 9-year-old genius is following me. They coincidentally looking at a house closer to the area. So, wow, I didn't even know this part. Look at this beautiful little walk through the house.
Yeah, it's like a trail.
It's so cool. I could have gotten through, because I came this way. It was a little bit darker, so I didn't notice this road, so I had to go around. But actually, you can get through here. That's cool. Good to know. So,
turn right.
Yeah. Don't listen to the yeah. Turn right, huh? Oh, didn't work. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, turn right, huh? Yeah. So, we got a little bamboo forest here as well. Beautiful. Look at that temple over there. Yeah, I just like the area. The house was in decent shape, and being 5 minutes to the station is pretty cool. That's very, very rare. It will never happen in the big city, that's for sure. It happens more sometimes out here because
turn left.
a little bit outskirts. However, you're not going to get parking. Not usually. Unless you pay a fortune. Like here, and they get a new house. Alright, so we'll park my... Are you ready
Yes.
to see number 16?
Yes.
Maxwell? Your honor, you actually get to be here in my video with me, seeing this is a pretty cool opportunity, you know. Come on in, buddy. It's right there. That's the one right there. So
That one?
the one right here. Yeah. Obviously, it's not as big as the ones you guys saw, but yeah. So yeah, I just liked it because there was also nothing here. Now, technically, the guy who was selling this house, part of this land was part of the house, but because it was family related, he couldn't get the rights to sell this part. So there's a little issue there, and that's why I was able to get a better deal.
Okay.
Because Japanese don't like dealing with that kind of stuff, right? So technically, if they come and claim, they have to take away my balcony, or whatever you call this, veranda, my terrace, because I only own half of it.
Oh.
Isn't that weird?
That is weird.
That is weird. But if I can buy the rest of that land at some point, then I'll be able to keep it. It's just they couldn't guarantee that. And if a Japanese person comes, they're like, you know, they don't want to hassle with that stuff. So
Exactly.
I'm willing to take on the risk because why not? It's
More likely
It's-
than
there's-
not, it might
no,
fall in
there's-
your favor.
yeah, and there's a lot more positive things about the house than actually
I mean,
that, right?
on the way down, you can see that temple. I mean,
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I didn't notice that last
Yeah.
time. That was a bonus.
yeah, it's super cool.
I mean, you got this house, or you can buy this one over here. Look at that beauty over here, folks. I mean, that's an eyesore. However, I don't care.
With enough construction experience, you could do something with this.
Yeah, tear it down.
I mean,
What do you think about the house? You want to buy the house, Maxwell?
No.
You could light it on.
It might be really cheap, but that thing.
Yeah.
a lot of muscle.
You're
You
gonna
could-
have
you
to.
could-
Yeah.
You're gonna have to need to have.
It's
a
even worse than the
lot
last one I
of
just
money.
saw, of the two.
You're gonna need a lot of money to get that
Yeah.
house.
Look at the night and day difference. Which one is mine? Welcome to house number 16, boys. Just kidding. I did that in one of my videos already. But I mean that's bad. But at some point you have to imagine that's going to be gone. So
Yeah.
you can't just picture about. So
You think they just will completely wipe it out, or would they remodel it? Is this
Yeah.
your part?
it's a waste of it. Like it's so close to the station, it'd be a waste to keep like that. It's just if they want to
Yeah.
sell it. Now hopefully I brought the right key. I have a lot of keys, so I don't remember which one I put in. I gambled it. I brought one key and I hope it's it. Oh, I didn't realize that. What a nice mailbox. Thank you. Bonus. All right, boys and girls. I saw my cameraman here. Hopefully get in there before it turns too dark. Is that the key? No. Okay. If that's not the key, then we're screwed.
Oh, we saw the outside. Nice.
Oh, what the heck? There's a package here.
Welcome.
Hello? Okay. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's good.
Very good.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Don't.
Ah.
Thank goodness. Woo! Sweat was coming down there, folks, under the pressure. I didn't realize there's 2 locks to this house. Bonus, 2 locks, safety. Safety comes first. Okay, come on in, folks.
Better safe than sorry.
That's right, better safe than sorry, okay? You're my cameraman. Come and enjoy the house, folks.
Remember, keep him in frame, Maxie.
Hi. All right, you got the door?
Yeah?
Somebody grab that.
I got the door.
Okay, take off your shoes. Oh, it got dark in here
Got your
already.
shoes now?
Yeah, this is
Take off the
really
shoes.
dark.
Yeah, it's really dark. Can you see me?
Yeah?
Okay, as long as you can see me.
Do you need another flashlight?
You have one?
On my phone.
Oh, sure, yeah, thanks. I don't think the lights are attached, so. I doubt it, but we'll just take a peek. You never know.
My arms are creaky.
No, you think so. So, welcome to house number 16, boys and girls. As dark as it is. Hello. Can you guys see me?
Yes?
Can you see the room? Is it okay?
Yes?
Send me what? Okay. Just curious if you can actually see.
There's only so much light I can produce,
Yeah.
but yeah.
So I mean, I looked at the floors, I looked at the walls. It was in pretty damn good shape. I was shocked. Comes with some free dressers if you want. See, like this stuff it came with.
Yeah.
If the people who rent it don't want it, I'll just toss it. But I leave it here just in case. It even came with a banjo.
It doesn't look like it.
My dog has fleas. Or he did. Sorry. Oh, and it comes with a speaker.
Sound system?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Maybe I should take that home. That's cool.
Yeah.
If I attach it to my
You
body.
might find some video games here.
Yeah, I don't know what that
I
was.
stuck up some old Famicom
So-
games.
And the kitchen was in, look at this. So, you wanted your example of a system kitchen? Here's a basic one. Here's the smallest, like the lowest model.
Okay.
So, and look, it's pretty decent, right? In decent shape. And so, a lot better looking than tiles. So this is the material I was talking about earlier. This white stuff. So it just keeps it clean. So it needs a clean job, obviously, but.
Get out of the way.
Oh, sorry about that. So it's different than they use this for the countertop.
Keep
This
him
is
in
basic.
frame, Maxwell. Keep him in
So-
frame.
I can keep it in frame.
So this is an example of a system kitchen if you changed it. The other houses we looked at today would be obviously longer kitchens and bigger ones. So, but this is generally what you get, and it looks clean and nice, and it's the best. Hey, it comes with a free microwave. Cool.
Bonus. You need to have that little sound effect
Yeah.
that goes on your video.
Yes. I don't do stuff like that. Only sometimes I do cha-ching. Over here we have the washing area, which is big. That's a bonus because usually it's small in these small houses. So, unfortunately, the shower room's a little bit tight. However, it's in great condition, so I was happy about that. 'Cause a lot of the houses would be run down for this kind of stuff, but it looks very clean and it's big tiles too, so it's less crap.
Get out of the way, get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Thank you. Sorry about that, folks. Okay, we're going upstairs here. Watch your step. Oh, this staircase is very solid, very nice. It's crazy how great shape.
Look at my. Oh, God. I've seen your buttocks.
Oh, my bum. You want to scratch it?
No.
You scratch mine, I scratch yours. Oh, not facts. Sorry, wrong one. Okay. So this house only has one room, unfortunately. But it's a big room. It's 10 to 10 minutes, I think.
Yeah, it's a big one.
It's a big one. It's in great shape. I mean, this house is rentable as is, which is a bonus, right? So that's huge.
Cha-ching.
Yeah, exactly. Cha-ching. Maxwell assets.
Yeah, a free
Cha-ching.
vacuum cleaner right here.
Oh, a free vacuum cleaner. You want one?
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching. That's exactly it. When you cha-ching. Look at all this stuff. This guy learns quick. You want a job? You can work with me, pal. You got a good
Give me
brain
a
future.
producer.
Producer. That's right. Every time you see something, it's, what do you say?
Cha-ching.
That's right. Maxwell assets. Cha-ching. And you got another selling point is you got look at that beautiful big.
Step on out and get him in frame. So keep him in frame.
And of course it's gonna flex too. A big what is in English? Veranda? Balcony?
Veranda, balcony.
Veranda.
Yeah, balcony.
I really like that there's those trees and you get the sunset and all that stuff over there too. It's really nice. So all these little minor things. You can't get too picky when you're looking at houses in real low budget areas. So
Yeah.
when you get a cheap house, that has so many good points to you, you're like, okay, I'm done. It's an easy
Yeah.
decision. When you're paying $300,000-$400,000 for a house, then of course you're expecting big things, but
Exactly. But if you get something at a lower cost,
Yeah.
you get these are bonuses.
these are bonuses. Exactly how you look at it. So you can't come in this place and look for all the negatives. No, you focus on the positives. If you get a house with all positive, no negatives, that's just really lucky. You're always gonna have some
or
negatives.
there's
right?
going to be a huge cost involved.
Exactly.
You're paying for it one way or another.
Yeah. So the only negative for this house for me was the only the one room upstairs, which is fine. So if you had 2 or 3 rooms, it's better, but you can get away with it. The house is a little bit smaller, and of course that land issue, but it is what it is. There's just too many positives of having a nice kitchen, a clean bathroom, very nice layout of the house, and it's a very clean house, and the stuff doesn't really need to be renovated. So the price of the house, and of course 5 minutes to the station. That's like unheard of. So we'll take that. Unless you're an apartment. For a house, 5 minutes to the station
Yeah,
is crazy,
it's huge.
right? So it's huge. So, and it's a decent station too. The station looks nice, actually. Right. So, yeah. What do you think, Maxwell? You like it?
Yes.
Too. So
Or you can actually
This
close a
has
half wall
enough-
here, put a track door,
you could.
and then you can have enough for when you put
Yeah,
the futon out. And
It
then
probably was 2 rooms before, actually. And that's
Yeah,
what they
probably.
did. But actually, I like it open. It's beautiful.
So
It's
they
one
smashed
big, enjoyable
it.
room. You
Yeah.
know, you can have your joint. I like tatami. Tatami rooms are rare for older houses, so it's usually something done.
Just smash that wall area and replace it with a wood one, then put those things on.
Wow, I'm just impressed how great condition this is for the price range. I mean, the wallpaper could use a cleaning, but it's not life or death. Wow,
watch your step, Max.
sturdy steps. Yep, good steps. Like the house I just looked at,
Yeah,
the
these are
1990s. It was.
Yeah.
I was like, what the heck is this in your house? This house is older.
Yeah, there's no flex.
Look at you, Mama.
Oh, we didn't get to see the washroom. I forgot. Is it a nice washroom or not? I can't remember. Yeah.
Take the anchoring.
Oh, is that a lot better than the washing you saw earlier there, Maxwell?
Yeah.
The one with the poo in
That
it?
was messed up. That was messed up.
You didn't get a picture of the bathroom, did you?
I
bottom
did.
Part, the bottom part, the actual
Oh.
toilet. That's the important part. See, it's not like America where the toilets are small. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bonus. That's $1,000 right there.
Cha-ching.
Okay.
Cha-ching.
Point the camera back at Korin-san.
Oh, hello. Nice to meet you. Oh, wait, I shouldn't. Oh, no racist jokes. 2024. Don't forget. Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. I apologize. So here's the house, folks. Thank you. You have any questions for me, Maxo?
Well, I don't really have any questions.
That's rare.
And cha-ching.
And cha-ching. Thank you for that.
Cha-ching.
Oh, yeah, you're like free fan.
That's right. Free fan. Free clock.
Oh, that's crazy. Free everything in here. Yeah, they took it as is. Yeah, I mean, good condition on the ceiling, too. Maxwell Assets.
Yeah.
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching.
That's right. You're supposed to say Maxwell Assets. Maxwell Assets. Cha-ching.
Oh.
Can you say that?
Maxwell Assets. Cha-ching.
That's right. You win, buddy.
My name's Maxwell, and I'm going to be showing the Buffalo Stampede for you. Hope you enjoy.